What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video where I'm gonna show you guys my new room. I'm gonna show you guys the new room. Let's go check the new room. Let's go check it. So guys, I'm walking here. I'm about to be in the kitchen right now. And this is the room. I wanted to show you guys, but for real, yeah, I got like a little table right here. I have a table right here, guys. Right here. Oh wait. I want to show you guys some. But yeah, this is my whole room. My bed's right there. If you guys want to know. No wait. Yeah, my bed's right there. If you guys want to know. So, hello, who's there? My dog's ready. I'm gonna go check the door from this door, but I think the dog's here. So, I am gonna be streamed. What the? Wait, what does that say? YouTube. Congrats for 50 subs. Oh, guys, my dog's surprised. Look at there. Look at here. Oh my God, is this my? I can't lift this up. I'm wearing no socks. Is this a YouTube thing? Well, I'm gonna bring you guys in the room. So right here. So what the heck is this? Let's put you guys on that table. Oh, God. Yo, so guys, this is something from YouTube, technically, so. Technically, let's see what it is. So, I can have it right there. Okay, well, dog found a marble. Oh, that's kind of cool. Oh, okay. And a coin, guys. I got these when I found them, and I was walking and just found these. But let's open the thing and see what this is. Yo. What are you doing? Well, wait, yo, guys. Wait, what? Oh, it looks like the piece fell out, but I'm just gonna, glue it. Oh, God. Yo, guys, I think this is my play button right here. I think this is my play button. Yo, this is cool, YouTube. Dang. You guys, I think I just got my play button, and I can just wait a second. Ah, scared me. Yo, guys. Just got my play button. And I found a dead, I don't know what kind of bug that is, but I found a dead bug there. Well, thanks a lot, YouTube. And it says congrats for you. Dang, guys. Dang, and that's my coins. Dang, people. Dang, guys. I just got the play button. I finally got it. With a 50 sub. I finally got my play button. I can technically see my face from here. You guys can't. But, whoa, guys. Thank you for 50 subs for this. Yo, guys. Thank you for 50 subs. And, yeah. I already told my age and stuff, so technically, my marbles, going marbles around there. Okay, but yeah, guys, see you later. Bye.